shorter than the left. Okay, that means your hips are way out. You feel that? How that's stuck right there? Take a deep breath in and blow out all the way. Relax. All right. There it is. One more here, deep breath in and blow out all the way. Good job. Lay on your left side, face me over here. How you been feeling?
Good.
Awesome. Right there. Take a deep breath in. Blow out all the way. Let's get that sacrum. Relax. There it is. Awesome. That easy. Other side. There. Take a deep breath in. Blow it all the way. Twist, twist, twist. Let it go.
Yeah.
On your back, face up. Point your place. Your favorite. The most important adjustment we can do on you. You started off coming to see us with no curve in the neck. The curve went the opposite way. Now it actually goes the right way. Take a deep breath in. Relax. Let it go. Chin up. Beautiful. Take a deep breath in. Relax. Look to the right.
Oh.
Oh, I think that may have been Instagram worthy. What do you think? Hang on, let's get your ankles. Stay there. We're not done with it yet. Awesome. There, that one. That one. Let's do shoulders and wrists, elbows, wrists, shoulder, other side. You are ready to take on the day. Come up all the way.
Thank you very much.
Awesome. Great.